The government of Zimbabwe, through the Ministry of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Service, has dismissed the recent remarks made by the new United States Ambassador to Zimbabwe, Pamela Tremont, that the 2023 general elections were not free and fair. Ashpere mushe muri Zimbabwe, United States Ambassador to Zimbabwe ozovhura hombe manje. Sana bina mashoko auya akadismisa mashoko akataura roti bva subscribe like on the bell icon. Vamwe vanoti aiwa ichokwadi chaitaura but munyongwa muchizi in a statement released last week, the Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Jennifer Muswere, said Zimbabwe's 2023 harmonized elections were conducted in full accordance with the country's constitution. He said, "I wish to address the remarks made by the U.S. Ambassador to Zimbabwe, Pamela M. Tremont, regarding our nation's electoral process. It is important to reaffirm that Zimbabwe's elections were conducted in accordance with the constitution. Zimbabwe voted in a transparent, fair, and a democratic process with which saw President Mnangagwa being re-elected. The decision on who leads and governs Zimbabwe is made by Zimbabweans. We have a robust and independent electoral system that ensures that the will of the people is respected." Do mashoko anobuda achitaurwa naJennifer Muswere awa ekuti aiwa ma-elections emuna 2023 they were free, fair, credible and transparent. Dakuti nhasi tiri kutaura zvakawanda vati mungopinda mucomment section mangu mondoziva kuti munoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko avataura aya ataurwa naJennifer Muswere achidismisa zvakataurwa na-US Ambassador. Pinda mucomment section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu, saka unosubscribe kulike pachiro turn on the bell icon.